Let me introduce you to the Boom Lightbox with storage. It is the latest, most advanced product hitting the market from Wow Your Booth. The entire lightweight display features a tool-free assembly with a snap block system, making setup quick and easy. It also comes in its own padded travel bags so you can get around without any hassle. This incredible Lightbox display is fully customizable. You can add shelves, monitors, and counters, and even more to deliver a full experience for your customers. There's also a lot of room to expand to larger booth spaces. It's also available with curtain tube connectors, ideal for creating private areas, storage spaces, or whatever you need. You can even print your own graphic on the curtain, giving you some really cool branding opportunities. There's not much more I can say about this amazing new display. It's everything you need to present your brand with style and function. Wow your audience, wow your booth.